Okay, so I have no earthly idea why, but I decided, why not put out Row, Row, Row Your Boat? So this is going to be kind of like a tutorial / playing because, you know, who likes just listening to Row, Row, Row Your Boat? Not me. Okay, so let me close my computer. So this is how it goes. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. There's only 2 chords you need to know. C and G. So C is just putting your 3rd finger on the 4th, no, on the 3rd fret. Should sound like that. Then G, 1st finger on 2nd fret, 2nd string. And then, I'm trying to show this correctly. And then, bottom string, 2nd fret. And then their 3rd string, or your 3rd finger on the 2nd string. And then your 3rd finger in the middle of those, but on the next fret. Obviously, if you don't know how to transition to those 2, it's going to be a little harder. But, let me get my pillow. Am I sitting on my pillow? Okay, this is news. So, you're going to go, row, 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 and then on your, you're going to take your, so you're strumming down with your thumb. Row, row, row. Then with your 2nd finger on your, you're going to go up. Row, 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 your. So you go back down on boat. Gently down the stream. So you're gonna go up, 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 down, down. Merrily, merrily. So then you go up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down. Merrily, 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 merrily. Up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down. Merrily, merrily, merrily. Then, on Life is But a Dream, you're going to go down to G and go, life is but a, so just down, up, down, up, and then C, dream, woo! Now let's play it all together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Cool. See you guys next time. Bye.